Hello everybody, welcome to Accessorize Your Life. I'm Julia. Thank you for tuning in to this Dior unboxing. I don't want to keep you. I want to come in and out rather quickly. So I gave in. I ordered from Dior again, and these are the boxes that I got here, and I want to share them with you. I didn't get what I said I was going to get, but I got what you see here and what I'm about to unbox. Those are the cards that came with the box. They have my invoices inside. So let's get into it. This is the first box. In it is what I actually ordered. The other box takes me up another tier. That's the little one in the background. So I'm going to pull off the ribbon. Love Dior packaging, as everyone does. They are so luxe. You almost hate to break open the seal, but you have to. It's just paper. Oh, and by the way, I did my nails, and I did them in that beautiful blue, which is Eden Rock 909, just for you. So let's look and see what I have. Now here is a card that I actually put a verse on. And it says, "The Lord will be your light forever." And I couldn't resist this boxing. I thought I would just let it go, but no, I wanted it. And this is what I got. I got the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This consists of an EDT in 3.4 fluid ounces. You also get a moisturizing body milk, and that is in 2.5 fluid ounces. And you get the tiniest little mini, and it is in 0.17 fluid ounces. Now, this is a EDT, so it isn't very strong, but I think it will be perfect for me to layer with the body milk and the perfume, or the toiletry perfume, to wear to work, wear out to church or to brunch or whatever like that. Just a lovely lady scent. Soft, feminine, and I'm happy with it. I love the little bow there, and the packaging, the container is so lovely. That beautiful pink juice. Adorable. So I'm putting everything back into the box just for now. And that is what it looks like. This box is picture worthy. Now, I did get samples, and if you sign up to become a loyal member, you join the program at Dior, you get free shipping, and you always get to choose 2 samples. I think I got a few more samples, because you'll see something else that I got that came with, I think I put a code in, and it came with a few of these things that you'll see here. There's serum, there's an eye cream, and there is a little perfume that's called Rose in Roses, and it's the cutest little thing. So I've got 2 little mini perfumes, and then I have my usual perfumes that I seem to get as of late. Grise Dior, and one that I really am excited to get that I chose is Oud Ispahan. I think that's how you pronounce it. So those are my little mini samples there. And of course I got another little lip maximizer. So I'm getting everything together here and stacking them up so you can see them. I like the lip maximizer. It's just a little bit of a feel to your lips. You get a little, not a sting, I don't want to say a sting, but you just get some kind of a little sensation in your lips when you apply it. I like it. That's the eye cream. I really need to work with that. I know I have another one here, and I don't think I've really used it. I may have tried it. And these are just the serums that I'm unboxing here. So I used a code to get this little black mesh bag, and I think it's great for traveling when you want to put your lingerie in it, or clothes that you want separated from other clothes, or just slippers or some small items that you want to pack separately. They have their place in this little bag, so I will get use out of that bag for sure. Now here is the item, the gift from Dior that took me up to the next level. I am now at gold with this gift, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see it. Isn't it adorable? Look at this. It's a magnetized little box. It came with this pamphlet, and when you open it up, it looks like the Dior, Christian Dior that is, townhouse. There are little windows all over the place, little stars all over it, and 4 of the windows open up to reveal a special little bottle in each window of Jadore. There are 4 of them, and I'm not sure of the names, but they are about 0.17 fluid ounces. I do know that one of them is a new release, or the newest release, so I get to sample all 4 of these. Now, I've had a Jadore perfume before, and I did like it quite a bit. I threw out the bottle because it started to rust a little, but yeah, I'm excited to have this back in my collection. So there's one. It looks like it's a rose tint. There's that's the milky one, and it's actually milky inside. It's a white juice. Some have said it's like a oil, but I will have to see for myself. This one is a clear, I believe, or gold. Let's see what the other one. That one's clear, and the one I laid down before is a gold. So aren't they adorable? I'm so excited with my purchase. I cannot wait to use everything. And like I said, that's the milky one. It's very, very interesting. The bottles are gorgeous. I am so pleased with this order, like I said before, from the packaging to the items, and I can't wait to make use of them. So thank you for watching. I want to invite you to tune in again for another unboxing whenever it happens, because you know, you get addicted to these things. So I'm excited about everything here. Can't wait to use them. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Ah. Little miniatures. Reminds me of when I played with doll houses, all the miniature things that were there in a dollhouse. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in to Accessorize Your Life again, and bearing with me while I share my Dior unboxing with you. So long for now, and I'll leave you with a still shot. Bye bye.